Do you want to find supply and demand zones in the easiest way possible, ensuring they are strong zones respected by the price? I will give you one of the secrets that they hide from you. Before we begin, hit the subscribe button. Turn on notifications and like this video because you are the one who will benefit from this channel. As you can observe, we have the gold chart on the daily time frame in front of us. All we need is this indicator called ZigZag++ to identify highs and lows with high precision. Next, we move to the second phase, which is determining the reversal points and the significant highs and lows. We measure from the low of the highest peak that has not been broken yet, which is the one I have indicated for you. By doing this, we find the golden zone on the daily time frame, which is between the 0.5 and 0.618 levels. As you can see, the price broke through this zone and then retested it twice before dropping far away. Apart from the method of identifying supply and demand zones, let me give you a glimpse of the fractal without digressing. From the video's topic, I am currently identifying the bearish price movements composed of 3 waves, and in fractal theory, a bearish or bullish trend consists of 4 waves. By this, we confirm that we still have a significant bearish wave remaining, based on the movement that preceded it. To clarify the vision, we move to a smaller time frame, such as the 4-hour time frame, and apply the same method. We will address how the fractal works in upcoming videos, so do not forget to subscribe to receive all updates. After dropping to the 4-hour time frame, the vision becomes clearer, and we refine the large zone that appeared on the daily time frame. We enable the ZigZag indicator, and after it shows us the peaks and troughs, we start from the low of the peak that has not been broken yet and connect it with the Fibonacci tool to extract the golden zone on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, the selling zone has become slightly smaller, and from there, the price began a sharp drop. We move to the 1-hour time frame to clarify the vision further. We start, as usual, with the Fibonacci tool from the lowest trough whose peak has not been broken to extract the golden zone between 0.5 and 0.618. As you can see, the price has started to react with this zone, and it is most likely that at the market opening on Monday, it will continue its decline without any external influences. With that, we have concluded today's video. I hope you found it beneficial. The upcoming videos will contain even more powerful information.